Hello everybody. Today I will be discussing about few vocabulary words which are often used in our day-to-day life. So let's start. Here are five basic words. The first one is ambience. Ambience is a noun and the meaning of this word atmosphere of a place. The restaurant has a pleasant ambience. Instead of using atmosphere, we can use the ambience word in order to improve our speaking skills. So second one is succulent. Succulent is adjective and the meaning of this word juicy. So sentence will be I love to eat succulent fruits. So third one is delectable. Delectable is adjective and the meaning of this word delicious. The food made by my mom is delectable. So in our daily to day life conversation we mostly use that word is delicious. So instead of delicious we can replace our word with the delectable. So the fourth one is impart. Impart is a verb and the meaning of this word give. Sentence will be teachers impart the knowledge. So again we can repeat give and we must have to replace this word with the impart instead of using give. So last one is worthwhile. Worthwhile is adjective and the meaning of this word is valuable. And the sentence will be I want to do something worthwhile. So here is a five word. They all are very basic and even we can use in the daily conversation as well as in the same in the IELTS, in the writing as well as in the speaking section. So you can use this basic vocabulary words and you can improve your speaking skills in order to get higher band score. So you must learn these five words and thank you. Happy learning.